Hey guys, back for another opening, and since it's Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, I figure this is a good time to upload a new product from Mikol. Nice little box, and guess what's in the box? Let's see. Standard envelope for a little rag. Certificate, making sure it is by Mikol and they stand behind their products. And a guide about natural marble. So this is what's inside. This is a Spanish Neuromarquina marble. Comes with a wire, and let's plug it in and see how well it works. The new iPhone XS. Well, it's already charged. You see the little charging button. It's kind of cool. And there's a little blue light. Oh, now it's off. So that's it. Just gonna give you a little comparison. It's very sleek and slim. Beautiful piece of marble. So the question is, do I like it? I may be a little biased because of the marble, but I do. The charging is, it's standard speed. It has automatic shut off button, and it shuts down when it overheats, if it does. But I like that it's real marble. It feels nice. It looks good with the home decor. It's stylish, not your regular standard tech item. So I have one next to my bed and living room, kitchen, and obviously office. And friends seems to like it. They're like, oh, it's real marble. Yeah. Yeah, if you like it, feel free to pick it up online. You can get it personally engraved too, so you can engrave living room, kitchen, whatever you want. Or if your sister or your spouse likes to steal your chargers, engrave the name and dominate it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and hope this was helpful information. I will submit a little bit more soon. Catch you soon.